Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, probably look a little crazy because I don't have mascara on yet. Haven't done it. But today is Tuesday. It's about 10 o'clock now. It's voting day, and I've had a very productive day so far, which it definitely wouldn't have been productive because I woke up this morning with a super bad headache, and I was so freaking tired because I did not sleep well because my head hurt so bad. And I've had meetings all day, and I have meetings for the rest of the day as well. And I'm actually so thankful that I have those meetings, because if I didn't, I would not have gotten up. I would have 100% went back to sleep, and I would not have done all the things that I got done today. I have washed our bed sheets. I have edited 2 videos. Like I said, did all those meetings. And now I'm gonna put some chicken in the crock pot, and I'm gonna make shredded chicken, like barbecue shredded chicken. Brandon was gonna make dinner tonight, but I'm just gonna surprise him and already have dinner made, so that way he doesn't have to worry about it. Because today he did go back to work. Because, I mean, you know, from the weekend, but yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Yeah, super productive day. I'm so proud because I've been needing to wash our sheets for a hot minute, so I'm glad I finally got around to doing that. And yeah, we just got a fun-filled day today of working. I have to go boat. All right, sorry guys, my arm is like hurting, so it's probably going to, I'm probably gonna move around. Actually, I'm gonna set you guys up, even though it might not be the best angle, but I'm gonna set you guys up for a minute while I get the crock pot ready. But I did try and go vote Saturday and I drove 30 minutes to the voting location. Because my mom told me that you have to manually change your address, like for your voter registration card or whatever, and it doesn't go into effect until you change it, and I never changed mine. And she's like, no, so you need to go to your previous address. So went there, and they're like, no, you have to vote in the town you live in. And I'm like, dude, I freaking told my mom that, but she didn't listen. So I wasn't able to vote yesterday because I had meetings yesterday all day too, so wasn't able to vote yesterday, but I'm going to vote tonight right after I get off work. I can guarantee that there's probably going to be such a long line and it's going to take forever, but whatever, it's fine. It's totally fine. I want to be super productive today. I've gotten quite a few things done on my to-do list, but I'd like to get like almost all of it done, so that way I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the week. We'll see. I need to do the dishes really badly. But yeah, I don't know. I will talk to you guys in a little bit because I have to go hop on another meeting real quick. Okay guys, I am back. The chicken is smelling so good. I'm so excited. I'm already ready for dinner. I'm starving. Okay, so it's been like a couple hours, so it's like 1 o'clock now, but I wanted to tell you guys, I've started a new process. I still haven't put mascara on. I gotta do that here in a minute. But I've started a new like dinner process, kind of. So what I do is I have been shopping for the entire month instead of going to Walmart every 2 weeks, because I hate going to Walmart. I hate it. 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 And I don't want to go I don't want to grocery shop. I just don't want to do it. And this time I actually did Walmart pickup yesterday because I was that lazy. So I did Walmart pickup, but what I've been doing is I will write out what I'm going to make. Like I get my calendar for the month, and I will write a meal for every single day. And I will even put in there if we're gonna go out to eat or whatever. So I will do that, and then I will go in and put down everything that I need, and then I'll go through and see what I actually have at the house. And then I can remove what I have, and then that's my grocery list. And then what I'll do is I will take that calendar that I made, and I will list out every single meal. So say that we're having tacos like 4 times in the month. I will list out tacos 4 times. So that way I can go in and I will mark off what we've made, and that way I know what we have. So that way it's just like way easier for me, and I don't have to be like, oh my God, like what should I make for dinner? What do I have? Blah, blah, blah. And that way it's just so easier, like so much easier. And then that way also Brandon can look at it and be like, oh, okay, what days am I gonna make dinner? So so much easier. I am putting our sheet or our blanket in the dryer now, our comforter. But I will be back in just a minute. I have all of those clothes to hang up. All of these clothes to hang up. Well, actually I have to fold those too. All of those clothes to hang up and all of the towels to fold as well. I just have absolutely no desire to do it. So I'm gonna save that for later. And now I'm gonna go put on a little bit of mascara before my next meeting. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I think I said it, but I'm gonna go and vote after work today. Hopefully I don't have to wait too long, fingers crossed, but all right, let's go ahead and do our mascara. All right, we applied some mascara. I have my ring light sitting up behind me, so that's why the lighting looks so dang good. But trying out a new mascara today. This is the, I mean, it's like new to me. It's not like new, but it's the Maybelline Lash Discovery Mini Brush Waterproof Mascara. I don't know, what are we thinking? I'm gonna have a first impressions on it at some point. Who knows when it'll go up, but that's what it looks like right here. All right, what do I need to do? Ow, freaking A. Just burnt my freaking finger on my ring light. Okay, I need to cancel my dentist appointment tomorrow because I have a meeting during it, so I cannot go. Tinsley, go to potty? That's yes. So I gotta do that real quick. I need to call the post office because, like 2 weeks ago, I dropped off a package from like a return to Abercrombie, and she was having issues with the scanning, and she's like, it's probably just not like ready to be scanned yet or something like that. And I was like, okay. And then she's like, you can just leave it here. And I was like, all right. And I like went and looked, and it still like doesn't say that it has shipped out. So I gotta call them and see what the deal on that is. But that's what's going on right now. Ooh, my goodness, it's so nice outside. It's so nice. I love that. Jenny, what are you doing? Being so cute. Quick little tip, if you're wanting to, if you feel like super unproductive and you have absolutely no desire to do anything but lay in bed or lay on the couch and watch Netflix all day, like I do 24/7, one, get up, get dressed, put some makeup on, and if you're really unmotivated, put jeans on. I hate wearing jeans, hate it, but I feel so productive today when I have the jeans on, and I want to like get up and do stuff because I got like ready for the day. So quick little tip, quick tip in these very weird working from home times, even though I work from home 24/7. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I just shredded my chicken and added the barbecue sauce, and it smells so dang good. I'm so excited to eat this tonight. I just used the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So I just went and voted. Guess what I forgot to get? A sticker. How's anyone supposed to know that I did my civic duty and actually voted now? But my Ipsy did come in, so I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna do the unboxing on Instagram, maybe, possibly. I don't know, we'll see how the lighting is, how I feel about it, so we'll see. I did just film it for Instagram. I don't know if I'm gonna post it. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see eventually if I post it or not. But real quick, I'll show you guys what came in this month's box. So this is what we got. These items right here were in the Ipsy Glam Bag, and then the rest of it is the like part of the Glam Bag Plus. I'm really excited. I don't know, I'm not really excited for the colors of these, but I'm excited to at least try them because on the packaging, it did say that we are one of the first people to get to try out these because they launched October 16th. So I'm really excited. And then these are the brushes from that brand as well. But I'm excited for that. And then I am excited for this as well because I love Glow Recipe, and I've never tried this moisture cream by them. And then I'm also excited for the lip oil from Tarte because I love me a good lip oil, especially for bed. Yes. But, oh, and I'm excited for this too. This shade right here. So pretty. That coral, yes. Hi. Hey guys, so I haven't talked to you yet today. It is currently almost 5 o'clock, but I worked all day and oh my goodness, the back of my hair is a freaking rat's nest load. I can't remember what I told you guys last night. I have no idea. I don't remember, but I ended up, my headache like came back full force last night, and I've had a headache all day today, but I had to work through the pain, and so I worked all day, and I just got off, and now I'm gonna go downstairs and watch a movie with Brandon, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to work on our cups. So I'm gonna show you guys real quickly what I'm working on. Let me grab it. What I'm gonna be doing is we are going to be having a hot chocolate bar at our little elopement ceremony. And so I bought these cups on Amazon. I'll show you them real quick. They're just like little paper cups with lids and then straws and everything like that because they're like coffee cups. And then they also come with these sleeves. I apologize if my hand is moving so crazy, but they also come with these sleeves. And I bought a custom stamp on Etsy, and so I'm gonna be stamping those tonight, and I'm so excited. I just got literally the ink from Walmart, but I'm literally so excited. I can't wait. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now, and I'll show you guys what they look like in just a second. So stinking cute. OMG, I'm obsessed. Some of them are not wanting to work. It's actually like way hard to get this thing completely like saturated. I think that this kind of sucks though, that this stamp sucks. Probably should have got a better one. All right, so I just finished the first batch and they look so stinking cute. Some of them obviously look a little bit better than others, but they are looking so cute. And no, I do not need all of these. This is an insane amount. We're only having 16 people at our wedding, including our videographer and photographer, and then Brandon and I. But I got the cups that I got, it comes with over 100 in there, and that was just because that was the only ones that I could find, like the color that I wanted, like that was the amount. But I thought it worked out good anyway, because I was like, okay, we can just use the cups like throughout the week and like actually use them like, you know, at the Airbnb that we're staying at whenever we like make coffee and stuff, and that way we can like carry them with us whenever we leave or whatever. So yes, I'm having a ton, but they're so cute, and why would I not go ahead and stamp every single one of them? But I think that they're so adorable, and I will link the Etsy shop down below and like the actual stamp that I ordered in the description box down below. All right, guys, so I'm on my way to go tan in a tanning bed. Yes, I know. Before anyone comes at me, I know it's bad for you. I have not tanned in a tanning bed in like 7 years, and I used to tan literally like 2 different times a year, like one in the springtime and then one in the fall time. And I haven't tanned in like 7 years. So that's pretty dang good. And I always said that I would never tan in a tanning bed again, except for my wedding. And so I'm tanning for my wedding because I do not want to self-tan. I do not want to get a spray tan. I just don't want to worry about any of that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to go do now. And honestly, I will say this. I know it's like, it's so bad for you. And like the FDA and everybody are like, hey, don't do it. Like, we recognize this as like a really not good thing to do. And there's like laws and stuff around it. I get it. I understand that. But I want to tan. And I honestly think that it is helping with my seasonal depression. I know my seasonal depression doesn't hit until usually like January. Sometimes I'll like get it a little bit in November, but it hits like real hard in January. So I feel like it's already kind of helping though in November, just because of like the warmth and stuff. I don't know, that vitamin D, even though it's fake, I feel it. Guys, so I just got back and I'm gonna do a face mask real quick. This is one of my favorite face masks of all time. It's the Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. It is so good. I love it. So I'm gonna do that real quick. And then, what was the other thing I needed to do? Oh, I'm gonna show you guys 2 foundations that I tried out and I didn't like. They were foundations that I literally just bought from Sephora. So I'm gonna show you guys that and talk to you guys about that. Whoa, holy moly. My like throat is hurting a little bit, so I'm pretty sure that I am getting a sinus infection. I promise it's not COVID. I was literally just around somebody who had a sinus infection and actually went to the doctor, got tested and everything. So I'm pretty sure she gave me a sinus infection, so that freaking sucks. But I'm gonna take a whole bunch of medicine tonight before I go to sleep, and fingers crossed that like kicks it in the booty. So fingers crossed. Also, I thought I'd go ahead and mention this real quick. If you are wanting a pumpkin like enzyme mask, but you're not wanting to pay the Peter Thomas Roth price, this one is a pretty good one too. You actually put it on before you go to sleep and leave it on all night, and it is the Too Cool for School one, and it is significantly cheaper than the Peter Thomas Roth one, but this one smells so dang good. I love it. Right, so real quickly, I wanted to give you guys a little review of the foundations that I bought from Sephora 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I can't remember how long ago, but I also bought a foundation brush as well. So the first one that I got was the Forever Skin Glow by Dior. I tried the matte one. I think I posted it on my channel. Yeah, it went up last week. She wants to join us. So I actually got my right shade in this one, and then this is the version that's supposed to be better for dry skin. I apologize if I'm not looking at the camera. I don't have my contacts or my glasses on. But I honestly didn't think it was anything special, and especially for like $52, I was just like, I don't think that this is that great. Like, it doesn't make my skin look any better than any of my other foundations. So definitely was upset about that. I was hoping it was going to be very, very similar to the like original one that they had and they took away, but no, it was not. And then I tried the Dior Backstage Air Flash. Yeah, Backstage Air Flash foundation. This is like literally $60 something, and I was not impressed with this at all. Like, yeah, it's like a good foundation, but not for $62. Like, it looked really good, but there are 100% foundations that are better than that, and they're way cheaper. Like the Too Faced Born This Way, that one gives you like the exact same look, and it's like way cheaper. And then this brush wasn't anything special, so I'm returning those and exchanging them, and I'm gonna get the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and that's probably gonna be what I wear. I'm either gonna do that one or I'm gonna do the NARS Longwear Radiant, because I know that I like both of those, and I like the way that my skin looks with them, so that's more than likely what I'm gonna go with. Guys, so that is it for this video, because I'm going to go to bed because my throat hurts. I really hope I'm not getting sick. I really hope. I hope it's just a fluke. But I guess it's better now than a month from now, whenever I'm getting married. So, but that's it for this video, because I'm not really sure how long this video is going to be, so I'm going to just pick up a new vlog tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.